Let her go, boys.
Good morning, guys. The time is 6 in the morning. Andrew is coming to pick me up by the car. We are going fishing today in a lake 20 kilometers outside Umeå. Let's hope we catch something today.
On this Lord's Day with the sun peeking through the curtains.
Välkommen! Let's go!
Okay. It seems like you are ready.
I'm ready and I'm tired.
When the breeze is cool and they're biting good, not to mention. If I live right now, might make it somehow, but I doubt I could pay attention. I'd rather be on a lake with my mind on God in the middle of His creation. In an old John boat with my zip code rod for some private conversation. There might be a few people talking bad about me when they see that I'm a missing, but I'd rather be on the lake with my mind on God than in church with my mind on fishing. Well, I like that preacher and I love how it feels when he really gets to throwing down. But I'd rather do my talking with the man upstairs when there's nobody else around. If I was there right now, I'd be thinking about which lure I was gonna cast. And he don't need another.
How's it going?
We have caught too many fishes today. We can't get any more. We can't take home anymore.
We don't have much place.
No. We gotta leave some fish for the others as well.
A few people talking bad about me when they see that I'm a missing, but I'd rather be on the lake.
How is fishing going, man?
I've got one. Here he comes.
I ain't even listening while it all goes right over my head. I'd rather be on the lake with my mind on God in the middle of His creation. In an old John boat with my zip code rod for some private conversation. There might be a few people talking bad about me when they see.
Andrew, tell me the truth. What do you prefer, fishing or collecting blueberries?
I like getting something. I would say that. Yeah.
So, everybody understood.
God been in church with my mind on fishing.
Hit them all.
With my mind on fishing. Missed a good sermon this morning. I don't blame you.